Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this here Radio Shack Citizens Band transistor transceiver radio, Walkie Talkie. We want to see what's in it, see if it's worth taking apart. As you can see, it weighs 1.41 pounds at 5 cents a pound. That's only worth 7 cents as is. We're going to take it apart and see if there's anything good in it or if it's just all plastic. So stay tuned and let's get it done. As you can see, it's just a regular little walkie-talkie. It doesn't work, it doesn't power on, it won't charge, and we got, that's why, really nasty rechargeable batteries, old rechargeable batteries. So they've ate a good bit up. These here will be disposed of properly. That's all the weight. Ten batteries that thing took. To be about it on screws. One screw. As you can see, I got a new area to scrap. My outside scrapping table. Hopefully y'all see good and we'll come at you at different angles and get it done. That's steel. There's our board. Once again, everybody's going to say, well, you get more out of that by just selling it for parts. I know. But what's the fun in that? If I did that, we wouldn't see how they come apart. all looks to be a low-grade board. Nothing much on it, nothing much to it. Not like that CB we took apart. I'll probably pull that IC chip. A little bit insulated copper wire we got. Doesn't look like much of anything. 2 IC chips. Take its aluminum heat sink off. Looks like somebody's had this open. They stripped that one. And that's basically it. Once I get that IC off, I'll pull these couple little things off. We got an antenna here. And you could probably sell that on eBay as is. Not much going to be on that. Maybe a little bit of copper in there. But these couple little switches. There's your switch for your buttons. But basically it. Not much. So I'll get the rest of this cleaned up. We'll come back and we'll see what we get. So stay tuned. As for the steel shred, as you can see, there's nothing in that, so I did zero the scales. So this is a little bit of shred that we got. So at 5 cents a pound, at 0.95, shows we got nothing. Nothing at all. Let's throw this extra screw in there. Now we got 0.1, so that gives us 1 penny. 1 penny for that shred. For a little bit of brass, at 0.1, also at $1.80 a pound, we got 2 cents for that little bit of brass. For our insulated copper wire, at 30 cents a pound, we got 0.02 pounds. That is 1 penny for the insulated copper wire. For the clean aluminum, at 40 cents a pound, we got 0.02 pounds. That is also 1 penny. Seems like everything in here is 1 penny. For the 2 IC chips, they don't add up. It would have been $11.25 a pound. Getting nothing for those, so we'll say probably a penny. And our biggest winner is this low grade board at 50 cents a pound. We got 0.29 pounds. That is 15 cents for the low grade board. So if you come across a Walkie Talkie, they're not worth taking apart. That we do know now, the only thing I have maybe is this antenna. They'll try to sell on eBay maybe. I did get one little piece of copper out of the speaker. It's not enough to add anything up, and also the crystal oscillator that I keep, so possibly silver in them. But that's what we got out of that there Walkie Talkie, and wasn't very much of anything. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. So see you next time. Bye.